Hi, this Among Us meeting. Please listen to the speech. I found someone new here but got killed. Who got killed? Spider-Man. My best friend. Really? Go check at the med bay. Okay. Go in there. I will scan. Okay. Your turn. You now. Okay. I will go. Huh? You killed him? It's broken. I didn't meet Spider-Man. Believe me, I am your best friend. We can't trust you. Bye. No.